Hello everyone, today we will see the phonic sound of L to Z. The sound of L is L, lion. Then M says mat. Then N says net. Then P says p, 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 pay. Then R says rat. Then S says sun. Then T says t, 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 top. Then V says van. Then W says wave. Then Y says yak. Then Z says z.